Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying that your VR headset is compatible and that YouTube or YouTube VR is installed and updated. You should sign into your Google account so personalized content and purchases appear. This also enables saved playlists. Once done, open the YouTube VR app on the headset or open YouTube on your phone and select the 360 degrees or VR tag. Make sure your internet is stable. Slower connections cause streaming quality drops and lag in immersive videos. Now you'll enter the immersive player and pick your content. If using a standalone headset, launch YouTube VR and navigate with the controller. On a phone, play a 360 degrees video, then tap the cardboard or VR icon to switch modes. Use search filters to find native 360 or VR 180 files because normal videos won't render correctly. Once you select a video, give the player a moment to buffer at higher quality. This ensures smooth head tracking and prevents judder. Finish by optimizing comfort and performance so the experience is usable and enjoyable. Adjust headset fit and IPD to align lenses. Enable higher refresh rates in settings if your hardware supports it for reduced motion sickness. If the video won't enter VR or tracking is unreliable, restart the app, clear its cache, and reboot the headset. As a key troubleshooting tip, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or lower the playback resolution to stop buffering. This often resolves stutter without changing content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.